It's Dara. How's everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dara K. Fulton, and on this channel we talk all things motivation, as well as some creative stuff in the process, as well as my new series, Entrepreneur Life. I'm a business owner and founder of my own company called Apply ESL, which is an online English tutoring service with a creative approach. I help adult learners build their confidence while practicing and improving their English speaking skills. And in this video, I'm going to do another DIY, do-it-yourself, where I'm going to show you how you can take your logo, this is my logo, and you can make buttons. It's a cheaper alternative. You can go and have buttons made, but I'm all about budget friendly. I'm a new business. I just launched last year, and if you're like me and money's a little on the tight side, I want to give you some very budget friendly tips into how to still be creative and save money at the same time. So just to give an example, I just printed out my label. I use Canva actually to print out my logo, but you can do this in Microsoft Word if you like, or you can also do this through avery.com, and I'll explain in a moment. This is just regular computer paper, and if money is really tight and you cannot afford sticker paper, my suggestion would be is print it out on a computer paper like this, okay? You can buy laminated paper such as this, or you can visit your local Dollar Tree and buy photo paper and do it like that. So there are different ways, excuse me, to printing out your logo. Now what I decided to do is I actually use sticker paper, and this is what it looks like. Avery is an excellent company, and as you will see when I printed out these labels, what you will do is go to avery.com and you will type in the number code that comes on the front of every Avery product, because every code will be for different labels. Or the good news is it will explain how to print out your labels or pictures, whatever you're trying to do, and on the back it will give you printing tips. Okay, so I decided to use sticker paper. I was just experimenting, so I printed out my logo this size on Canva, and I did the same using this size also on Canva. So I will leave all the information in the description box down below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm going to first laminate this whole sheet of paper using my laminated paper, and then I'm going to cut it out and put it in these buttons. Now let me just say, now I bought these about, I want to say 3 years ago, so it's been a long time. I don't know the price. I can find out for you, but if you don't want to pay anyone to create buttons for you, you can simply buy these really cute plastic buttons, and it already comes with the pin on the back. Okay, and what you do is once you finish, you know, making your labels, you can just insert it in this plastic, and now you have some cute buttons to represent your brand. And just to give you an example what I'm talking about, no, I did not make this, so it would look like this with the little button on the back. So let's get started. Yay! This is the first time I'm trying this method, so again, forgive me in advance. The one thing I should mention now is you might want to, this is my business card, of course, this is my main slogan, try your best, and you want to use a card to help take out the air bubbles, because you will come across air bubbles when you do this. So. I'm going to carefully peel from the edge. Okay, I'm going to peel from the edge. Just take your finger and go underneath. See what I'm doing? There you go. So you don't want all your fingerprints all over it either. Here we go. Look how smooth that came out. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, friends, so I just trimmed off the edges off camera, but look how beautiful, look how nice and smooth. And this is what you want for your stickers, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut these out. I'm going to attempt to cut out some nice circles from this. I'm not the best cutter, let me just say now, so if my circles don't come out perfect, please don't mind. But again, this is your logo, your style. If you want to cut it in a square, like if you have a circular logo like myself and you don't want to cut it in a circle, you don't have to. Your creativity, your way. Okay. Again, this is not perfect by no means, okay? This is not a perfect circle. I could even go as far as like cutting this out and making it really cute if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do all of that. So beautiful. So this is my first time using this, so let's see how we can open this up. Okay, friends, so I had a little bit of trouble opening this button. It says to, when the buttons close together, you have to like turn it and turn it and turn it in order for it to open. So it took a little bit of a while, so I did that off camera. But what I want to show you is how it would look, for example, with my sticker. So as you can see, it's not going to be perfect because obviously this edge right here, but you get the idea. So here's what I decided to do. To make it easier, what I did was I have another sticker and I just put the cover of the button over it, so I have an idea how it looks. So as an alternative, what you could do after you finish laminating your logo, put the front part of your button, or if you want to use the paper that's inside as a guide, trace around it, cut, and then put it inside. Now in my case, a little bit of my logo is going to get cut off, which is perfectly fine. The point is you want people to see this, okay?
Next level.
And there you have it, friends. Now your logo could be represented in button form. I just did this for the sake of this video, but if you don't want to keep the writing or you don't want to unstick your sticker, you can just use like the back of this little circle. That way, when someone turns it over, they don't see all this writing. But I just wanted to give you an idea of how you can, in a budget-friendly way, create your own logos, create your own buttons. I hope that this tutorial helps you to promote your business. Thank you so much for watching today. Always try your best, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy DIYing. Love you all so much.